1.
Download Lot 51 core.
Find that in the description.
Save in mods folder.
2.
Open the trait we made earlier. If you're watching this out of sequence,
Find that in the description.
#gen a reward tuning ID name, tuning instance, a snippet tuning ID, and instance ID. Trait tuning. Store display name, icon, and description. Sim data. In origin description, paste this ID. Extract tuning. Lookup gym rat. Extract reward. If you desire to make a separate trait tuning, extract trait too. Reward tuning. Update the icon, display name, and description. Local tuning. In specific rewards, paste your trait tuning. In blacklist, paste your trait tuning. Data. Update tuning name and instance. Sim data. Update name. Update instance. XML. Update icon, name, and description. Add. Snippet tuning. Update group. Update instance. Snippet tuning. Paste this.
Find that in the description.
Local tuning. In key, paste your reward tuning file. Data. Update tuning ID. Done. We're getting slightly faster with this. What's next?
For more Pixie tips, don't forget to subscribe.